The southernmost region of Africa is renowned for its outstanding wines. Mild ocean winds gust off the sea, cooling the grapes as they slowly ripen. Local farmers have made use of this terroir to craft exciting, complex, and daring wines that express the diversity of this landscape, embodying the elemental characteristics of the Overberg wine region. In particular, Pinot Noir, Chenin, and Sauvignon Blanc excel in these conditions, producing some of the country's most distinguished wines. Through more than a decade of careful selection, the very best of these local wines can be found at Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, an award-winning luxury lodge and leader in sustainable tourism. Stored in carefully controlled cellars, Grootbos' premium collection of limited edition wine is sourced from the Cape Winemakers Guild, South Africa's most prestigious wine auction. Savor some of the rarest wines to be produced by South Africa's leading winemakers. Enjoy a personally crafted 6-course wine and food pairing in the candlelit cellar. Sit down and dine with a sommelier and be fascinated by the stories behind each hand-picked bottle of wine. Explore the origins of these delightful flavors on guided trips to local farms. Stroll through the vineyards, explore the cellars, and appreciate the nuances that define the character of this wild wine region. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, home to South Africa's finest wines.